Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video, we are going to see the concept called like adding Bootstrap to the Angular StackBlitz project. So you all aware that we have Angular started Angular tutorials where we have done examples also for each and every concept using StackBlitz website, which is a we call it as a full stack web IDE JS environment platform where you can create any JS application, either maybe front end or back end. Using milliseconds, your environment will be created here by using this website so that you can practice any any front end development environment, either maybe Angular or React. You can practice by using this tag builds. I do use the same website for explaining all the concepts with each and everything with an example. I hope you are following all my tutorials till up to now. We have given so many videos related to Angular. Here is the video, like it's give a review about stack blitz. So now in this video, what I want to go to show you is how to add Bootstrap to this your Angular project. So whenever I click on this Angular TypeScript project, your Angular application will be created, as you know, using Stackblitz. No need to download any dependencies by using CLI or any. No need to wait for such time. So everything will happen in milliseconds only. You can just change your application to get the required outputs like that only. So it will give the latest version. Now present we have Angular 14 as latest version. If you want to change the inputs or whatever the things present in the HTML file, you can just change it as you like. So for example, H1 I have taken as a high text, then I'm just closing the H1. You're getting this response, right? So up to now we have seen template driven forms and reactive forms and each and every examples like structure directives and how to use everything we have seen till now, but without Bootstrap only we have seen. So this Angular Stack Blitz it will defaultly won't have any dependencies related to a Bootstrap kind of thing. It will have this common needed things like platforms or core compiler, common such kind of things, RxJX. These things only they have installed. So if you want Bootstrap added to your project, you should add the dependency here. So let's see how to add that part. So adding Bootstrap in Angular project we are going to see now. So this can be done by using the simple steps. So right, any application without Bootstrap doesn't look right correctly, like properly. For example, if I add some button, if it is normal HTML like that, to add attraction or anything we use Bootstrap. If it is not present in an Angular project, then how it will be like, for example, I have one button like click here. Just see how it is normally button will be like this. If I added any class for this, then that will change if bootstrap is present. If I given as a class like button and a button color as primary, which is in blue color, let's see, it is not changing because bootstrap is not in this Angular application. To add the Bootstrap we should follow some few steps. So it is really love stack blitz, like it is taking less time while creating your first Angular application. But uh, the only drawback this have is only CSS and HTML is there, but only with this to create a web application it is so terrible, right? So to adding Bootstrap to your project is super valuable now. So to make it easy and make it good looking, and it is very fine website, to make it clear, everything in a good attractive manner, we should add Bootstrap. So this can be done in the a few steps. Let's see each and every one. First, we have to add Bootstrap NPM module to the dependencies session. First, we have to add NPM module Bootstrap to the dependency session. Here, you don't have any terminal use, so to add any dependencies here, just to here you can see the button like enter package name. So here, this is the dependencies and these are the packages. So here you should add like Bootstrap. Just enter the package name called as Bootstrap. Just click on this part. Yeah. So bootstrap, just give the spelling like bootstrap. Just make sure that you are entering the correct name. So bootstrap I have added just that thing is enough. Then you just the second step which you have to do is just a hit enter. It will prompt you the add jQuery and Popper. Just install them too. Like see, whenever I added Bootstrap, I'm just clicking on enter. Here you can see Bootstrap is added here, but the dependencies is not yet installed. So it is asking for that you have to met peer dependencies. The like dependent dependency also you should add, that is popper js, or sometimes it will ask you jquery also. If it is already there, it will ask it is asking popper itself here. If you ask jquery also, you have to install that missing dependencies also. So dependencies are installing. Here you can see now popper is added, which is not previously present. Now bootstrap is ordered. Here you can see the name of the dependency. If you want to delete, you can just delete by using the delete button here also. It's running that. Running that, you can see if it is once installed. Yeah, it is installed now completely. So the next step which you have to do is, once it is installed, added in the dependency format, next the step you have to do is you should import those bootstrap style. Now it is present in the path, like bootstrap dependency is there, but how it is interrelated to your application, you can go to styles.css file. In the files description, I have made a video for app file extensions, like explanation of the files. What this styles.css file will do, I have explained in that video. I will explain you once again more. Each and every file have some operations, right? I have explained in that video. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video. Here see styles.css file, what it does means, the styles which are applied in this file will apply to all the html files likewise. So for each individual component we have one .css file, further limited to up to that html only. But in the styles.css file, if you add anything, that will apply to all the components html files. It's just like a universal or a common css file, we can say as. So here we have to import one, what we call as a cs file. That is, you can see here the format should be like this, like import this path, like where bootstrap is there, in that dist folder will be there. In that css folder you have to take bootstrap.min.css file. Just add that particular part here, import, and this, it is compiling the changes. Compiling takes some a few seconds of time, that's it. So whenever this is compiled, you can see here the button is changed. So whatever we have added button, primary button, right, it has changed to this. So if you give not only primary, or if you give danger like that, then it will be called red color. Like, right, bootstrap classes we can use like flexes on the or divisions, call spans, and everything we can do, like grid format. Bootstrap we use for the grid, such kind of things, right, that make your website look attractive rather than a normal one. Here you can see the differences, right? Like click here, previously how it is like just button, now we have added button class and button type of danger, the color is red. So this is very, that's it, simple and easy. Now you can do, or you can apply any class for your application likewise. So these are the three steps which you have to follow. First, we have to add dependency bootstrap by just entering the name of the package here. So next, when you click enter, you will get a pop-up to install the P dependencies, like maybe Popper or jQuery. You have to install them too, and just have to import this path file into your styles.css file, so that the styles will be applied for all the components. So these are simple steps. By this, you can add jQuery to Bootstrap to your Angular project. So this is all about the thing which I want to explain you in this video. I hope you got clear clarity, and you can also add the same in your website. So by this, you can create any application or any form that will look great instead of normal HTML. Without Bootstrap, exactly the structure of the website will change, right? So this is all about this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up below. And if you have any doubts regarding this, like any difficulty you are facing while adding this thing, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply to your comments. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and share these videos to your friends who are don't know how to add bootstrap. Like with they are using Stackbliss with normal form only without bootstrap thing. You can help them by telling this and sharing this video to them, so that they will add that and make creative websites there. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from us. And like, share, and comment. And thanks for watching.